Na karibu viwanjani. Serikali italipa wachezaji wa timu ya taifa Harambee Stars milioni 1 katika mpango wa nyumba za bei nafuu, japo wachezaji pia lazima wajifunge kibwebwe. Rais William Ruto alisema haya huku akiandaa dhifa ya chakula cha mchana kwa timu ya taifa Harambee Stars waliobanduliwa nje ya dimba la CHAN katika hatua ya robo finali.
Tuna feel kama disappoint a lot of Kenyans because we thought and we believed that we're going to win the CHAN, but unfortunately Mungu ako na plan zake. So I just want to take this opportunity to say that we are sorry and we're going to do better.
Football is a team sports and it's about 11 players, but you guys made us felt that we were untouchable every time we went onto the field, just with your support, filling the stadiums and pushing the team whenever. So
the 2-bedroom house that we had agreed on under our current arrangement in affordable housing costs 2 million shillings. We are going to pay for you half that amount. We're going to pay for you 1 million shillings. You pay the other 1 million, or we will give you a mortgage you can pay over 20 years. And you're going to be paying something like 2,000 or 3,000 every month. There is no room for exchanging the house with money. There is only the house. And as I told you, you will choose a house in a town you like.
Haya, kwingineko dimba la Sekafa Kagame